Hey, what up guys, how's it going? Okay, I'm back with something kind of cool. As you know, it's new iPhone season. I have the iPhone 12 Pro here in Pacific Blue. Yeah, I got another one there. And as you know, when the new phone comes out, new cases come out because you want to protect your investment, right? So yeah, the only cases I use, you guys already know, are the one and only Nomad. I love the way they look, feel, the way they're engineered, and you could tell they care when they make these cases, but they're absolutely beautiful. And I have a whole bunch here, but you wanna know what's even better? I'm giving them away. I have a whole bunch of cases from Nomad that I'm gonna give away. Very simple, very simple to enter the contest. All you gotta do is send me a tweet. Now on the screen is my Twitter name, somewhere there. Yeah, just send me a tweet, let me know which one you want. Now all the cases I have are for the iPhone 12 Pro. I only have one for the 12 Pro Max. So if you want the 12 Pro Max one that I'm gonna unbox, let me know you want that one. But yeah, these are super awesome. We're gonna unbox each and every one of them as soon as I stop talking. So let me stop talking and let's unbox them, and you just tweet me and let me know which one you want. All right guys, laters. All right, as you can see, I have a bunch of cases here from Nomad, and let's get into it. Now, also I have a slightly mildly used iPhone 11 Pro Nomad leather case. If you'd like this, it's in perfect condition. I use it for a little bit. I'm gonna give this away too. So if you want that one, if you still have an 11 Pro, let me know, I'll give you that one. And here is probably my favorite color, is the rugged case in a brown. I absolutely love the way the brown looks. As you can see, I have my AirPods Pro case here from Nomad in a rich, lovely brown here. And yeah, here's the brown case for the new iPhone 12 Pro or iPhone 12 in the 6.1 size. And yeah, the inside is very smooth, soft, and even the sides in here too, which is great, especially with the stainless steel polished sides on the new iPhone 12 Pro here. So this is the brown, love it. Now, you know Nomad is synonymous with high-end quality, and they only use Horween leather from the Horween Leather Company in Chicago, who's been doing leather since 1905. Yeah, that's pretty crazy. All right, so we have this one here, and I love the color of this. My wife loves this color here, and it's beautiful. Take a look at that. You know what, let me put my phone in there. Let's see what that looks like. So now my phone's in there, fits perfectly, and wow, I'm loving that. Don't you guys love that color? Look, and then it's even got white on the side. And just look how well it's engineered and cut. Doesn't overlap on the screen any. On the front, I do have a tempered glass, and it doesn't even peel up the sides or make the glass bubble up. That is some real engineering right there. I'll even bring it in a little closer so you could see the detail. And here it is a little closer so you can see. Looks pretty good. All right, took my phone out. Let's put that one away. And look at, even look how it says Nomad right there. It's a subtle things. All right, 2 down, bunch more to go. Oh yeah, let's see what they gave us in here. I think they give us some cool, awesome Nomad, some nice Nomad decals. Okay. Ooh, even another one here. And then a nice letter from Nomad. It's all about presentation, right? Okay, so now here is the black leather rugged case. Like I said, all these are in a 6.1 except for one that I have in a 6.7 size. And would you look at that? And all their cases will patina over time. They'll kind of age and look more rugged and super awesome. Yeah, as you can see, there's a description of what it'll look like on day 1 right here versus day 100. Let me get this one here so you can see a better example, and it'll start to get more of a rich, natural color to it. And that's pretty awesome. Okay, so that there, here's the black one. All right, so I also have a modern slim strap from Nomad. This is for 40mm or 38mm Apple Watch. I have my wife's Series 6 Apple Watch right here. And yeah, I'll go ahead and put it on so we can see what it looks like, but let's open it up. And don't you love the frustration-free packaging? You just pop it open, that's it. And wow, would you look at that? Beautiful. Now this will match the case as well. So if you so happen to have this case, would you look at that? Boom! Okay, let's put it on my wife's watch here and see what it looks like. And would you look at that? I'll bring this in a little closer so you can see. All right, here it is closer up. And what a beautiful color. Such a beautiful strap. And I love how it even matches my wife's stainless steel Series 6 right here. How it's all polished. All right, so if you want this strap, let me know. And what other goodies do we have? All right, and also with the new phones, everything now is switching from USB-C charging to Lightning, and Nomad has you covered here. Now this thing here is made out of Kevlar. Now if you guys know anything about Kevlar, that's what they make bulletproof vests out of. That lets you know just how strong and tough this thing is. Now the cord that comes with your phone is only about 3 feet. This is 1.5 meters or 5 feet. So yeah, let's take a look at that. And look, this is magnetic, even here. Are you kidding me? Right? Okay, we have it here, and I like how they have this little cable management here so it doesn't get all messed up. And yeah, 5 feet. Now I could see me using something like this next to the bed, you know, plugging it in and then still having plenty of room so I could charge and use it while I'm laying in bed. And yeah, I'm digging this. Look at this. Look. Rugged Kevlar central core, 20-watt fast charging, thick RF shield for fast sync. It's got a great moisture barrier built in. The rugged Kevlar braided outside. And this comes with a 5-year guarantee. So you can't go wrong. Not only is it gonna last long, but they back it up with a 5-year guarantee. Now here's the rugged case that I have in black for the 6.7. And yeah, you could see the size difference, like for real, for real. So with your new phone, Nomad, they got you covered, right? Right. Can almost fit it in there, look. It's crazy. So all you big phone lovers, I got you. If you want the big one for the 6.7 Pro Max, let me know. All right, and here we have the rugged folio. Now this is cool. Now look at this. Let's get in the inside of here. So for those of you traveling light, you just want to take your phone, a couple of cards, you're good to go. It even says Nomad here and says Horween Leather Company, Chicago, established 1905. Yeah, that's nuts. They've been in business a long time. Yeah, so that's it. So let me gather all these for the group shot. All right, you guys, so I got all the cases lined up here for the final group photo, and this one here is for the 11 Pro. So slightly mildly used, but in great condition. If you want this one for the 11 Pro, let me know. The rest of these here are for the 12 or the 12 Pro. I do have one here for the 12 Pro Max, and this one too in brown for the 12 or 12 Pro. But everything here I'm giving away. Just tweet me which one you want. I'll throw my information on the screen there one more time, my Twitter handle, and just let me know which one you want. And gosh, what can you say about Nomad? Absolutely beautiful. All right, guys, lighters.